Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no.
Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I would like to show you how I turned this man's shirt into this cute jumpsuit. Firstly, I seam ripped the pockets off as I did not want them on my jumpsuit. I then took shorts that I already own as reference for the lower part of the jumpsuit. It is really important to give a lot of seam allowance, especially if your reference is stretchy and your new fabric is not. I used the whole back of the shirt for the back of my shorts. I then cut off the sleeves and cut along the inner seam to have one big piece of fabric. For the front side of my shorts, I flipped my reference pair of shorts to the front as the front curve is much steeper. I then traced the front shape on my sleeves and cut. I then had 4 pieces for my shorts, which I sewed together at the sides and the middle. However, I left a 10 cm gap at the right side for the closure. When sewing along the curves, I finished the seam at the tip of the curve. I then take my shorts and fold it so that the middle seams are touching and sew along the inner leg. And this is what my shorts looked like. Next, I shortened the legs to my preferred length and adding some seam allowance. I then hemmed the bottom of the shorts with a rolled hem. I then took the remaining shirt apart. For the top of my jumpsuit, I took the front sides of the shirt and sewed them right sides together. I hold the new big piece of fabric onto my upper body and trace the shape of a high neck top with a marker. I cut out my new neckline and sewing my top piece to the shorts right sides together. I created a waistband with some of the remaining fabric by cutting out several rectangles at the width of about 8 cm and sewed them all together to one big strip. I also adjusted the neckline of my top slightly by making it steeper. I then attached the waistband to only one side of the top and to the back of my shorts. I then cut some of the remaining fabric into 3 cm wide rectangles and create one very long strip of fabric. This is going to be for the tie of the back, so we want this to be as long as possible. I sewed the strips right sides together and used the safety pin to flip it inside out. Next, I hemmed the edges of my top. At the neckline, I folded my hem over to create a tunnel for another strap. I then took some of the remaining fabric and cut out 4 short rectangles which are about 2 cm wide to use as loops for my back tie. As before, I sewed them right sides together and turned them inside out. I then sewed 2 loops on each side. Next, I tried on the jumpsuit to see how long I needed the waistband to be and cut off any excess fabric. Using the excess fabric, I created another strap which I can use to tie around my neck to hold the top up. I feed this through the channel with a safety pin. Next, I cut out some of the buttonholes to the length of my shorts opening and attached it to the shorts by sewing it right sides together. I also hemmed the other side of the opening as well as the top of the waistband. I attached the buttons to the other side of the opening, spaced out to fit the buttonholes. Lastly, I put a knot at the ends of all the straps, and finished is my transformation. Let's take another look at how the shirt looked like before. And here is the final result. I absolutely love this jumpsuit. I love how it turned out and I can't believe how different it looks to the before. I can't lie, it's going to be a pain when using the bathroom, however, I think it's totally worth it. As ever, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY videos.